Welcome back to 50 Car. The 2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee Concept is a visionary masterpiece that redefines rugged sophistication. This concept seamlessly combines Jeep's storied legacy with cutting-edge technology, offering a ride that is both adventurous and refined. Starting with its exterior design, the vehicle boasts a bold 7-slot grille accentuated by a gentle LED halo. Step by step, the design unfolds. First, the striking front fascia captures immediate attention. Next, sculpted headlights and dynamic body lines evoke a sense of motion. Finally, robust alloy wheels and flared fenders complete its adventurous stance. The pros include a commanding presence and aerodynamic efficiency, while the cons may involve an unconventional look for traditional tastes. Inside, the cabin is a sanctuary of modern luxury. Step 1. Enter an interior adorned with premium leather seats and meticulously crafted accents that exude warmth and comfort. Step 2. The dashboard comes to life with a 15-inch digital display, intuitive controls, and advanced connectivity features that enhance every journey. Advantages here are high comfort and state-of-the-art functionality. However, the tech-centric layout might be challenging for some older drivers. Performance-wise, this concept truly excels. Step 1. A powerful hybrid powertrain delivers exhilarating acceleration and a maximum speed that thrills enthusiasts. Step 2. Adaptive suspension paired with Farida-inspired performance tuning ensures a smooth yet responsive driving experience on both urban roads and rugged trails. While the impressive power and versatility stand out, higher fuel consumption and a premium price tag may be viewed as drawbacks. Priced to attract discerning buyers, the 2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee Concept competes with luxury SUVs like the Range Rover and BMW X5. Ideal for mature adventurers and tech-savvy enthusiasts alike, it encapsulates Jeep's enduring spirit of freedom and innovation.